where here you see it, folks. How's it going? The Monster Smart LED Illuminescence Essentials. It is a smart LED that, well, don't think it's the best one you can get out there. Being the fact I am going to return it, as you can see the receipt right there. So my review for this LED system that is Wi-Fi connected is that they're pretty cool for 6.5 feet of length, and for being an app LED that you can control from anywhere. But the downside of it is we use these to save money on energy with that amount of energy that they spend, as much as cell phones use to charge, pretty much. So these do not come with anything but a USB connection, being that they can be connected in any cell phone home charger, and or any multi USB outlet, like I had one of them. And well, they stay on. That's my only negative for them. When they're off, they're actually on, so you don't know if there's something wrong going on. I have LEDs behind that TV, and they do not do that. So that is a review to that. Smart Monster LED Essence Essentials color LED light strip. And yeah, honest opinion is, get something else. Don't do it at Walmart. Try Best Buy.